Today we're going to be connecting 3 lawns together. We are doing a diagonal cut on these properties. You're currently looking at the final result. We still have to clean the sidewalks, of course, but the lawn has been mowed. So let's check it out right there and let's get started. Alright. So as you can see, I'm kind of panning the camera right now, and I hope it's visible that the edges of the lawn have been framed. So we've cut the edges first. We always cut the edges first before we start doing any lines on the middle of the grass. So all our edges will be done before we do any line work on the lawn. And we're just kind of flowing with the lawn. We go line by line. As you can see, we're going through the property, and yeah, we're going, at an easy pace. We don't want to go too fast into a turn because that kind of starts tearing up the grass as we're going. So we're taking it slow, little by little. What we're hoping to make visible in this video is that we're really not treating it any different than if we were to just do one lawn at a time. So what we're really just doing is connecting the properties and treating it as one whole lawn. I'd say the biggest division that there is between these 3 properties is just the walkways leading into the house. So it makes it really simple for us to just treat this as one whole property. It's pretty much connected on its own, and we're just treating it as if it's one lawn in itself, and we're just going little by little, being careful on the turns, and we're making sure to do our best to make sure that we're not causing any aggressive turns or tearing up the grass or doing unnecessary compaction of the soil. So we did this all in one pass in order to make sure that we're not compacting the soil, and here's the final result. Look at those lines, they're nice and set in, and we use the previous line to guide the next line, so we work off each other. And here is how it looked before, and here is our final result. We got a little sunshine to really highlight the line, so we were really fortunate for that. Thanks for watching, and take care.